Hello and welcome to Security on Screen. My name is Peter Mawson and today I would like to introduce you to Robert Ogg, Director at RCJ Contracts Limited. Robert leads a team of suppliers of bespoke access control systems incorporating key management and CCTV installations throughout the UK. Robert, I'm delighted to see you here at Security on Screen once again. Thank you for taking time to speak with us today.
Nice to speak to you again.
Robert, I wanted to understand how easy it is to run a 24/7 maintenance contract for Morse Watchman's equipment.
It's fairly straightforward. I mean, basically, we've just tied up with the clients that we've put the boxes into and offered them a 24/7 contract. They don't all take it because they don't all. Some are medium secure and some are low secure. And depending on their facilities as to whether they actually feel they need a maintenance contract that gives them 24/7 cover on their equipment, or they just take a reactive contract, which basically means that if we get a call out, we could be there in a week or 10 days rather than the same day or the following day or the 4 hours for the airlock. And we provide the contracts in paper format. We indicate on the documents exactly what we're covering, how long we're covering it for. And we also indicate the site that we're dealing with in the contract, because it's fairly straightforward, the contract, and it then goes to a site-by-site basis. They all have the facility to check it out, look at it, and if they want to take the maintenance contract out, they then send us an order for it in line with the figures at the last couple of pages of the document.
Thank you, Robert. It's good to understand how you deliver that 24/7 service and indeed the other steps towards that to your client base with the Morse Watchman product. Thank you for taking time to offer the insight. We appreciate that.
That's okay. That's fine.